Hi guys, I'm Peng Ru from Dental Designs. I'm here today to talk about what you can expect after you have whitened your teeth and also what you should or shouldn't do after teeth whitening. So I think something that can happen after you've got the teeth whitened is that you might experience some sensitivity or discomfort on your teeth after that. This is usually very temporary. It can last maybe 1 to 2 days at most, but you can help to manage that sensitivity or discomfort by switching to a toothpaste for sensitive teeth. And also, if you've got discomfort that goes beyond sensitivity, you can consider just taking some over-the-counter medication like Panadol or ibuprofen if really necessary, and that will help you feel a lot more comfortable. Also, after whitening, your teeth are really dehydrated, and then you might start to see these really obvious white spots on your teeth. Don't be afraid, this is just a really temporary thing. Your teeth need some time to rehydrate, and after some time, usually in a day or two, these white spots will gradually disappear and your teeth will look more uniform in terms of shape and color. Alright, so now let's move on to what you should or shouldn't do after teeth whitening. After whitening your teeth, I'm sure you want to try to get them to stay in this shade and color for as long a time as possible. So try to avoid really acidic food because this can erode the enamel of your teeth. For example, citrus fruits, vinegar-based dressings, as well as sports drinks, carbonated drinks, Coca-Cola, things like that. Just try to cut down on those. You want to also try to adhere to a white diet, so avoid foods that are really dark in color because these can stain your teeth. So foods like coffee, tea, red wine, and for those of you who like squid ink pasta, that is a really dark colored food item. So all these things you want to try to avoid as much as possible if you can. But if you can't, I think the first few days of post-whitening is a really critical period that you want to try to avoid all these dark colored foods. If you're like me and you really love coffee and you need your cup every day, try to consume them with a straw to reduce contact time between coffee or tea with your teeth. That can reduce staining of your teeth, and I'm sure you don't want that after you just whiten your teeth. Right, so at the end of the day, a set of clean and healthy teeth is a foundation to a bright and beautiful smile. Practicing good oral hygiene is really important. Stay disciplined with the brushing and the flossing. See us regularly, and I'm sure you're gonna be able to maintain the results of your teeth whitening for a long time. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys. Bye. See you soon.